Cinematic renders are hard to achieve, and elements like camera, detail, and atmosphere play a major role. But the single most important factor in creating a cinematic render is lighting. In this video, I will explain the basic concepts and demonstrate multiple examples so you can understand it better. So, what is cinematic lighting? It refers to a lighting style used in movies and can help add depth and make renders look visually stunning. While real-life cinematography relies on multiple factors, in Unreal Engine, cinematic lighting is often dark, moody, and dramatic, which makes it exciting to create. Let's start with the base concept. Look at the scene, just a simple object with no depth. But if I reposition the light behind the subject, the scene instantly looks more dynamic. There is only one rule you need to follow. Keep the camera side dark. Placing lights directly in front of your object makes the render looks flat and washed out. Instead, use reverse key lighting, where the primary light source comes from the behind or the side of the object. This works for all kind of shots, but there is catch, which I will explain later in the video. Let's get practical. First, add a rectangle light from the light panel. In the detail panel, adjust the intensity, size, and softness to control the light effect. Move it behind your subject, making sure it faces the camera to create a rim light. Increase the light size to soften shadows and add a realistic fall off. If the subject looks too dark, add another rectangle light from above and rotate it slightly. Now I will combine these two lights with an HDRI. Now you can see the scene is looking cinematic. Now let's apply this into a character render. Add a rectangle light opposite the camera, then align it with the camera position for better placement. Adjust the intensity and size to get smooth highlights. To illuminate the character while keeping the background moody, add a soft top light. For a more realistic feel, use fog to enhance the cinematic look. Just go to post-process volume, enable height fog, and adjust the density to add depth. Increasing intensity will create a beautiful cinematic haze effect. What if you are rendering something like a wall? How will you light that? Since placing a light behind it wouldn't work, add a rectangle light above the wall, scale the light, and adjust the intensity to refine the light. Here's another bonus tip. Use IES light profiles to create fake windows, shadows, or leaf pattern lighting. It's a great way to add realistic details and depth to your scene without extra geometry. To add it, go to the light details panel, enable use IES profile, and choose a texture. This will break up the light pattern and make your scene look more cinematic. And that's it. Now you know how to create cinematic lighting in Unreal Engine. These simple techniques can take your scene to the next level. Try them out and let me know what you think in the comments. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.